to
Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
Khan Pencil and decide for the book fair. Actually, we are not being in the Shah Khan arrived at 6 o'clock. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, guys. Today, I'm here in Sharjah Book Fair, and today is Saturday. So, as you know, in weekends we like to go outside. So today we came here to visit the book fair, and we also wanted to buy some books. We're gonna buy Quran and any books. We're gonna first visit inside how it looks like, and we're gonna buy many books. Now you must be wondering, where is Bunu and Ammu? Let's go see where they are. So my Bunu and my Ammu were both of them, and I'm just walking. They are ahead of me. I was at the back, and here they are.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
As you know, we all came dressed, and yep. Now let's move ahead. We'll be going now inside. We were still out. Now we are going inside.
Culture opens the sense of beauty. Understanding languages and other cultures builds bridges. Greetings from Aslam Indian International School, Sharjah. Today, we are going to present a small story from the treasure trove of Arabic culture, which conveys an important message of respect and empathy. So let's start. The name of our story is Mahmud and the Old Man. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a baker named Mahmud. He had two sons. He had a large bakery for bread in the city Mahmud fueled fire in his oven using branches of old dry trees which his two boys brought in daily.
Assalamu alaikum, Abba. Look how much firewood we bought. I think this will run for 2 whole days.
On a certain day, the numbers of people multiplied in front of the bakery, but only a few loaves of bread were left. While Mahmud was selling bread, an old man came up.
Can I get some bread, please?
There's only a little bread left, so the boys work hard all day. But you are old and useless. I don't have anything to give you.
How dare you?
The man walked away sad and dejected. A few days later, the two boys returned without any firewood.
Why did you bring the wood? Abba, we did not find any branches of the big trees. We only found a bunch of small trees and dried twigs. These are not suitable for lighting a fire. So, now how am I able to run the bakery?
Mahmud was sad and frustrated. He sat down disappointedly because all the customers went to another bakery to buy bread. Here, the old man appeared, moved forward and put his hand on Mahmud's shoulders.
Mahmoud, what happened?
There is no wood to light the fire. What am I supposed to do now?
Come with me, Mahmoud. I will show you a place.
Come with us, boys, come.
They walked all the way out of the city until they reached a place with many dried up trees.
Look, Mahmoud. So much wood for your oven.
Oh, thank you. This is great. You have saved us. My boys, collect as much wood as you want.
The boys went to gather and cut the branches of the old trees.
Mahmoud, know that the person who led into the dried up tree path is an old man like me. And why your young boys come round. Also know that the wood that ignites your fire is for old dry trees, not new ones.
I really am very sorry. I understand my mistake. I will not repeat it in the future. I realize what you have said is indeed the truth. Thank you.
It's okay.
Shukran, Jet, for showing us this place.
This story conveys a wonderful message that every human being has a value, no matter how big or how small. So, we must remember to empathize with and appreciate each and every individual. Shukran.
As you can see the crowd here, they all are here to meet Shah Rukh Khan. As you see, Shah Rukh Khan arrived here at 6 o'clock and they all, so much crowd, they all are waiting to meet Shah Rukh Khan. If you can see, there is an entry gate for Shah Rukh Khan pencil and this side for the book fair. Actually, we are not being in the line because we came here at 3:30 and Shah Rukh Khan arrived at 6 o'clock. So we are pretty tired. We also bought some books and we already visited many Shah Rukh Khan concerts. We also take a cruise. So we'll be heading home. Bye bye, ma. Salam.